Am I the a-hole for not letting my nephew bring his service dog to my wedding? I, 27 female, am getting married in a few months to my fiance, 28 male. We've been planning our dream wedding for over a year and everything is finally falling into place. However, there is one issue that's been causing quite a bit of controversy in our family. My nephew, 18 male, James, has a service dog, Max, for his anxiety and panic attacks. Max is a well-trained and well-behaved dog, and he has been a great help to James over the years. However, I am severely allergic to dogs, to the point where I could have a severe reaction if I'm around them for an extended period of time. This is something that my family is well aware of. When we sent out the invitations for our wedding, we made it clear that there was a strict no pets policy due to my allergies. James and his parents approached us and asked if Max could be an exception, as he was a service dog and not just a pet. They assured us that Max would be on his best behavior and that he wouldn't cause any problems. As much as I understand the importance of Max to James, I had to say no. My wedding day is supposed to be one of the happiest days of my life, and I don't want to risk having a severe allergic reaction during the ceremony or reception. I explained this to James and his parents and offered to help find Max accommodations during the wedding. However, my decision has caused a lot of controversy in the family. Some relatives are calling me selfish and inconsiderate, while others understand my point of view and support my decision. James is pissed, and I really feel bad. So am I wrong? Definitely not wrong. You're allergic. What the heck? Let me know what you guys think in the comments.